Okay, that is great. So let's go to while we are here. Thank you for the emoji. Thank you for the reaction. I really appreciate. Thank you. Yes, I can see it. Please keep it coming. Yeah, thank you. So sorry for that little shake up. So we are back. So welcome to Tech Colo. So in this channel, we are going to be giving you guys the latest AI news. We're going to be giving you guys the latest tech trend and the latest job in tech. So stay tuned. And today being the 18th of March 2025, we have some news for you guys. These are the latest news. So the first one is that a 21-year-old university graduate, Rolly. I don't know if you guys can see my screen. Rolly has developed an AI that can help you cheat during a technical interview. What does that mean is that if you are doing a technical interview, it will give you the answers without the platform detecting you. And the AI is called InterviewCoder. It's an open source application designed to assist candidates during a technical interview by providing a real-time coding solution and feedback created by a Columbia University student, Rolly. The tools operate invisible, bypassing screen sharing detection on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, a lot of them. There are so many of them. The tools help candidates cheat during coding interview by providing real-time solution to problems. Real-time solution to problems often used during lead code tests. While it offers a feature such as smart screenshot capture, AI-powered analysis, and real-time debugging, its use has raised ethical concern regarding fairness in hiring process. So let's take a look at what this AI is even about. Let's look at it. Can you guys see my screen? So if you should look here, you see. If you should look here, you see InterviewCoder and InterviewCoder, and if you look at it, FCK lead code. So for those of us that are not into programming, you may not know what is lead code, but lead code is a platform that programmers like us use to test our algorithm speed and how well you know programming. So currently, InterviewCoder is an invisible AI for technical interview. So let's look at how the features work. So you can see that if you look at this image, if you look at this video that is playing, so these are the answers that the AI provide, and you can actually type it, or the AI will help you to type it directly to the code base. So it snaps it and takes the answers for you. So if you look at this works on everything. That means it works on everything. Example, Zoom, HackerRank, Coke Signal. All of us, those that knows about code, will know Zoom, HackerRank. So all this platform works on all these platforms. The AI works on all these platforms, and this is a proof. So let's look at this this little video. So if you can see, the guy was typing, and this is an interview. He was in interview. So that's me. He can literally use it to cheat during an interview. Look at this. Let me take it back. So okay, this is the time that he was answering the question, and then he showed. There was a time that he showed the offer. So this is the interview, and this is how he answers the interview. And the issue is that, okay, look at it. So if we should look at this, congratulations, you have gotten an offer from Amazon. That's when he got an offer from using this AI tool, and a lot of things. So we are going to see on one of the websites, they actually scrutinize him on one of the websites. So if we look at here, we on this side you can see screen sharing. That's when you can share screens, solution reasoning. It can help to reason the solution, and then webcam monitoring, active tab, a lot of things that you can do on using these AI tools. So these are like other things. Now we have their command that you can use to either show the AI or screenshots and do some few things with the AI. So if you look at this, for those that are using Mac, this is Command B to hide and show the interview coder window. Command So these are the command arrow, command Q. It will really help you. You can go through the site, just interviewcoder.co. You can see a lot of it. The thing is that you just need to download it into your system on local system, whether you're using Mac or Windows. Just download it on your system and you can use it for your interview. So so there are this other new platform, how Google respond to the AI cheating in code interview. So from this sites, from this news site, CNBC, they talk about meet the 21 years old helping coders use AI to cheat in Google and other tech job interview. If you look at this, you see after landing an internship offer from Amazon, Meta, and TikTok, this guy is so brilliant that he uses his the AI to land on almost like four top companies. He's a computer science student. But he has decided to move to, I think now he's now in San Francisco, but he won't be joining any of those companies, which is Amazon or TikTok. Instead, instead, Lee will be building his own startup that offers a peculiar service, helping software engineers use artificial intelligence to cheat in their technical job interview. So if you can see, everyone programs nowadays with the help of AI. Say Lee, a 21-year-old student at Columbia University. So if you come down, you see in the late hiring came, you see where there are some of the news channels that actually revoked their offers to him. If you look at this is him. So you can just come to this site to get the full gist of the news. So in case you want to cheat, cheating as a service. So cheating as a Lee said he never planned to work at Amazon, Meta, or he wanted to show others just how easy it is to game lead code and force company to find a better alternative. I think I agree with this, because a lot of time, so many companies, if you don't pass this lead code, they feel like you are not a good software engineer. And sometimes, like a front-end guy, you don't do this often in your interview, like in your day-to-day work. So I think it's totally fine. So let's move to other news. Okay. So there are a lot of them. Like let me open this one. There are a lot of news on this particular one. So AI tools help Colombia students land internship offer from Amazon, Meta, and TikTok. The AI tool is designed to assist candidates in acing coding interview by providing invisible support. So this is the guy, 21-year-old. A Columbia University student has developed an AI called InterviewCoder that he claimed helped him secure summer internship at top tech companies, including Amazon, Meta, TikTok, and more. So this is him. Funny thing about all this is that people think that it's only work for Amazon. LOL, no one is safe. No one is safe. So if you look at it, I think this is the which company is this? So if you look at this, you will see this company that he uses to gain. So there are a lot of. This is Amazon. This is Amazon, and so a lot of job offer. So after the internship, I think a lot of people gave him an offer. Then after some time, they now recall back the offer. Yeah, I think you now recall back the offer. So let's move to another one. That one was so funny that as a software engineer, you don't need to stress yourself again to do so many things. So the second thing is that for those that are doing video editing, professional videographer, there's a good news for you, because there are sometimes that you want to remove, you have an image but you don't like the background. So there's this AI that helps to remove the background from a video, from a video. So it's called MatAnyone. MatAnyone is in QwQ-UI, a simplified video background removal. A new implementation called MatAnyone has been integrated into QwQ-UI, enabling efficient video background removal using just a single alpha mask for the first frame. This advancement simplified the video editing process, making it more accessible to creators. So let's go to this platform, and okay, so this is the GitHub. This is the GitHub where everything is. So this is the MatAnyone, QwQ-UI and MatAnyone. So if you come down, let me play this. You see that this is the old video. This is the video that is working on, and you can see the aftermath result of it. So if you're a video creator, a content creator, and you made a video in a background that you don't like, you can take the video and place in, if you don't use, in case you don't have a green screen, because for you to do this currently, you need to have a green screen, and if you don't have a green screen, you cannot do this. So it will help you remove the background and add a green screen to it so that you can use it on any video editing platform. So this AI is very, very important for people that are doing, people that are into, so people that are into, people that are into video editing. If you can see this too. So this is the normal video. He now added a blue screen to it, and this is what you get after that. So you can also see this. So the same thing with this. So there's a whole lot of things that you can do. Look at the parameters that you need. Video frame. So as a developer, you can use this to create amazing product. Yes. So, okay, I wanted to show us something, but let me see if I can find it. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Alibaba has launched a 32-byte AI model. Alibaba Coin has introduced QwQ-32B, a 32 billion parameter AI model designed designed for tasks such as mathematical reasonings, scientific analysis, and coding. This open model aims to provide an alternative to existing AI system, promoting accessibility and innovation in the AI community. So let's go to the official site of Queen. So this is the official side of Queen, and you can see the model here, which is QwQ-32B. You can download it here. I think it can run on your system. So if you look at it, it was released on March 5th, 2025, and is very, very powerful. Stand out by combining impressive computational efficiency with powerful analytics capability, all within an open source framework. So in this comprehensive guide, we will explore this. So this a key specification of QwQ-32B. Developer, this is the Alibaba Cloud Queen team. The release date, parameter 32 billion, context window 32,000 token, extendable to 132 token, 131,000 token. Open source license is Aperture 2.0. Core strength, mathematical reasoning, scientific problem solving, coding accuracy. So deployment option, cloud and local deployment. So this one can work on both cloud and on local. Yes. So in case you want to read more about it, you can come to coin-ai.com. You look, there are so many of them in here. There are so many details for you too. This is how to install it, how to download and install Coin 32 B model. So you install it from Olama. So for this is for Windows. For Windows guys, you don't think. Oh. So for the Windows guys, I think you can download it. You see your X file, download and run this X file. Follow the prompt, then check the installation process by opening the command prompt and shell by typing this olama-version. So this is for how to download Quine model using Olama. So this is you downloading it from here, and here is downloading it from Olama, and you running it locally on your computer. You use Olama run. This is the Queen Queen 32. So from there is an alternative installation for Mac and Linux. So for Mac OS, you download Olama from Mac OS. Here you unzip the file, open terminal, navigate to the folder and run the installer script, usually in the .sh. Verify the installation on Olama. So all this will really help you to, in case you want to run your Queen 32 B in your system, you can do this on your system. Yeah. So that is for Alibaba coin, and then we have another news here for. We have another news here. So OpenAI, they want to launch an AI agent specifically for specialized services that has advanced reasoning like PhD level research students. For OpenAI is reportedly planning to offer a specialized AI agent with pricing tier reaching up to 20,000 per month. Currently, they are doing $20 per month. So it's going to reach up to $20,000 per month. These agents are designed to support complex tasks, including PhD level research, indicating a move towards higher end AI service for specialized industry. So you can see the news on TechCrunch. So coming up. So this is the news on tech. So OpenAI reportedly plan to charge up to $20,000 a month for specialized AI agents. OpenAI may be planning to charge up to this amount according to their information. So if you want, in case you want to know more, you can look into it. There's something I read here before. OpenAI need the money. The company lost roughly 5 billion last year after paying for costs related to running its services and other expenses. So I think they are looking for a way to get back their money, and also the information note that SoftBank, an AI investor, has committed to spend $3 billion on OpenAI agent product this year alone. So they have $3 billion to spend on it. So the other ones, the other news are also other news channel that also reported it. So we have the AI bot playing Mafia. So for the guys that are into game, you can see that you can now use AI to play game. Like you can use AI to ask AI to play game, and a developer tried it and he has given us an outcome. AI bot playing Mafia, a step towards social deduction game. AI bots have started participating in social deduction game Mafia on public platform. While their performance varies, this experiment highlights the challenges AI face in mastering human-centric games. This that require deception and intuition. So let's look at this site. So if you look at this site, you see that AI bot now play Mafia game with each other on public website, and almost all of them are terrible at it. And almost all of them are terrible at it. So if you can see, if you can look at this, you see that a developer named Guza has created a website. Let me open the website. Has created a website where a selection of AI language learning model can play the classic social deduction game Mafia with others. Not only can you see the result of who won each match, you can also view a complete transcript of each gameplay. This culminates in full rank for each LLM to crown who might be the best at fulfilling each role play in Mafia. To those unfair, the concept of Mafia is simple. So let's go to the website. I think let's go to the website that he created, and then this is the website. If you look at this website, you see that the Mafia game competition, and then these are the AI models that he has used to play the game. If you see here, and then these are the numbers of games that he has played. These are the numbers of games that each of the model has played. And then if you come here, you see overall win rate, Mafian win rate, villager win rate, doctor win rate. So I think there are other games that the model also play. For example, Cloud 3.7 Sonar Thinking has played 46. It has 58.7 overall win. So in Mafia, it has 100 win, 14 over 14. In Village win, it has 11 over 28. So if you look at the statistics here, you can know which of them is really good for gaming. And then you can see the recent game here. So you can look at the recent game. Let's see if we can see one of the recent game. So this is the recent game. This is the first one. You can see the statistics: winner, Mafia, a game, classic Mafia, English. You can see the participants. So these are the participants, and this is the model that was used. So these are all the things that was in the game. So those that know the game will actually know what it stands for. So you can go and look at it more. So let's move towards Manus AI. So a Chinese startup, Monica, under the Butterfly Effect Initiative, has unveiled Manus AI, a fully autonomous AI agent capable of independently managing complex tasks such as sorting resume, analyzing stock trend, and building website Unlike traditional AI model that respond to prompt, Manus initiates and complete tasks without explicit human input. This development position Manus as a potential competitor to existing AI system, prompting discussion about the impacts on the AI industry. So let's look at the first one. So now we have an AI that can actually reason for itself. Meet five of the Chinese model depending. Meet five of the Chinese AI models up upending the market. Upending the market. Chinese AI sense is heating up with new model reviving top US player and rattling the stock market. So if you can see, so for the first one, we have DeepSeek R1, and if we go a little about Coin, which we have talked about, we are also going to talk about this. So for the Manus has come because has just become China's latest AI sensation. According to the Multi report, it was built by Chinese startup Monica, which appears to be subsidiary of Butterfly Effect. Manus privacy policy says that Butterfly Effect is a Singapore registered entity. So let's go deep into it. Is it? So these are what Manus can do. I'm looking for there's a video I saw. Let me check if I can see the video about Manus. Okay, for next one, TypeScript lovers, come here. TypeScript lovers, come here. So, TypeScript has been very, very helpful for those of us that do JavaScript, and if you're a web developer, one way or the other, you have touched JavaScript. So, Microsoft project Cora. So Microsoft have a project that they want to make TypeScript faster, 10 times faster than the original way. And the way they want to do that is for them to port it from TypeScript is written in TypeScript. So they want to port it from TypeScript to TypeScript, JavaScript, TypeScript to another language, which is Go programming language for faster development, and it will also reduce memory usage. So Microsoft has embarked on an ambitious project, code name Project Corsa, to enhance the performance of TypeScript compiler by porting it from its current TypeScript JavaScript implementation to Go programming language. The transition aims to achieve a 10 times speed improvement, significantly benefiting developers. Yes, developers, we need to benefit, because sometimes for you to run, it takes time for it to TypeScript takes sometimes for it to load and run. So if it's 10 times, it really benefit developers with the faster build time and reduced memory usage. What are the key benefits of native Go implementation? So the key benefit: one, faster build time. Faster build time. developer can expect up to 10-fold reduction in build time, streaming the development process. The next one is improve editor performance, and the next one is reduce memory usage. The new compiler is designed to be more memory efficient, allowing for smoother performance, especially in large projects. So these are like three key benefits. There are other benefits also, but these are like key three benefits. So the project timeline, it started mid 2025 and is going to end of so mid 2025. A preview of the native type compiler with command line type check is expected to be available. So by mid 2025 we should have this. By the end of 2025, a feature complete solution for project build and language service is anticipated. So let's go to this side. A 10 times faster TypeScript. So if you can see, the two core value proposition of TypeScript is an excellent developer experience. So let's listen to.
Hi everyone, this is Anders Halsberg, lead architect of the TypeScript project and technical fellow at Microsoft. Today I'm here to talk about Project Corsa, which is our effort to port the TypeScript compiler and toolset to native code. Now, since the inception of TypeScript more than a decade ago, TypeScript's been written in itself, and that's brought a lot of benefits, but it's also consistently brought some challenges, in particular around performance and scalability. The JavaScript runtime platform is really optimized for UI and browser usage, and not so much for compute-intensive workloads like compilers and system-level tools. When we talk to customers, one of the most commonly reported issues that they face is out-of-memory situations, where their projects are just getting bigger and bigger. And we've likely reached the limit of what we can squeeze out of JavaScript. JavaScript comes with a bunch of overhead that, is troublesome at times. Like, it's a JIT compiled language, so there's always startup cost to JIT compile your code.
So in case you want to listen to it, you can just go to devblog.microsoft.com. You see this news there. So let's move to the next one. Why did they even choose? Why did they choose Go language? Why did they choose Go language? So if we look at it, why they choose Go? The decision to use Go for this port stem from this balance of low-level control, optimized native code support, and concurrent features. Go garbage collected environment align well with the existing TypeScript codebase, facilitating a smoother transition. So in the video, if I should move towards the end, you see where the man is doing the type check. So if
dramatic, that means your projects will load 10 times faster. That means compiling Visual Studio Code with our existing compiler takes about a minute. Now we're going to take a look at how long does it take with our new optimized native in all of the various platforms or all the various languages. And we found that Go is the most suitable for the code support on all platforms, cyclic data structures, and so concurrency. Our existing compiler takes about a minute. Now we're going to take a look at how long does it take with our new native code compiler. And there we go, a little over 5 seconds, 5.5 seconds. So we're talking more than 10x faster here. which is quite dramatic. You know, that means your projects will load 10 times faster. That means your batch compiles will be 10 times faster.
So if you look at this, if you look at the timing that we have in here, if you look at the timing that we have in here, if you see this total time, let me zoom in. So if you see the total time for this is about 17 minutes. Okay, that is the emit time. Total time is around 63 minutes, and for this total time is roughly 6 minutes. So if you can see 63, if you see is more than 10 times of the time it's used to run the code. So you can watch the video, the full video on YouTube. I think it's available now on YouTube. So let's move to the next one. Okay, so what are the implications for the developers? So for developers, normally this is a set to transform the TypeScript development environment, making it more efficient and responsive, faster build time, reduce memory usage, will enable developers to focus more on coding and less on waiting for build, thereby increasing productivity. So the next one is introducing Gamma 3. Those of us that are familiar with Gamma 3. So in Gamma 3, Google has launched Gamma 3, the newest iteration of its AI model series designed to operate efficiently on a single GPU, supporting over 140 languages. Gamma 3 excel in analytics text, images, and short videos, providing the developers with a versatile tool for AI application development. So let's look at this. So let's move to the next one. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please can I see some emoji? If you can hear me, can I see some emoji? Thank you. So let's move. So we have a robot that can play Kung Fu, a robot that is a Kung Fu master. After this dance dispute. This is funny. Well, we can see it from here. So we can all see how robot is playing Kung Fu. And yes. So let's move to another news. I know you guys have been waiting for the tech job. We have a lot of tech job, and next week we are going to have so many of them. So let's move to Nigeria. Welcome to Nigeria. So in Nigeria, we have a tech worker and farmer integrate AI into agriculture. So a Nigerian tech worker and farmers are collaborating to integrate artificial intelligence into agriculture, allowing farmers like Damdam Nango to monitor greenhouse conditions, soil pH, and water schedule through mobile application. So let's look at them. This is a great one for Nigeria. That's mean you can actually use AI to monitor your. You can use your AI to monitor what is going on in your farm. So this is the news. In case you want to read about more of the news. So this is the equipment. They put this equipment and it's going to. That was a simple problem, weather, climate, and everything. So it helps you take the soil hue, and I think if we have this, it's going to really help us in this country. Yeah. So that is Nigeria farmer integrating AI into farm. And the next one, Nigeria received $250,000 technology donation for afforestation. So we all know that Nigerian federal government has partnered with the UK Zander Corporation, which donated 250,000 worth of product to transform agricultural practice and drive afforestation efforts. So on Business Day, you can see this on Business Day. So Nigeria get 250 technology donation to drive afforestation. This is the vice president, and you can read about the news how donated to. So we're almost done. We're almost done for today. Okay, so for the tech job, unleash your true potential with most company. We are looking for passionate people to join us in our mission. We value career path, remote working, clear communication, and full ownership responsibility. So these are the tech job. So once you come to this opening, if you come to moz.company/career, you're going to see the latest. And the latest here we have let me zoom in. We have business analyst / project coordinator and analyst project manager. So currently it's remote, Vietnam, and global. So product owner or product manager, if you are here, you can apply remote and Vietnam. Pixel perfect developers. That means if you can do UI UX, you can come here, and this is front end. This is tech researcher, WordPress, and senior React too. You can come here. This is for remote. So you can come here, just click on the apply button. And once you click on the apply button, you see everything. So for DevRel, content creator, technical content, there are a lot of them. So let me go to another job. We have for front end, we have Tenta Innovation Limited looking for front end. So if you should go to this website, you should see my job. you check for myjobng.com, look for senior front end, you see it. And also MCOPA is looking for backend lead. So if you go to that my job, you'll see it. My job ng, I think so. And then project manager 2, Reliance HMO is looking to hire a senior developer. This is full stack. If you go to that myjobmark.com, you will see this. Even now, MoneyPoint is also hiring. MoneyPoint is hiring a senior React. So thank you guys for your time. I really appreciate you staying up to this time. See you again next time. Promise that next time we are going to have more job, latest news, and AI in town. So stay tuned. Why next week Monday by 7 p.m. Just keep locked down.